Hello, Tasfaye here from the Tutorial Academy. Thank you very much. This is Afan Oromo for communication purposes. This is our final video. In the last 2022-21 videos, so we have seen lots of areas where we can communicate with Afan Oromo with Oromo language, like greeting is family, buying and selling, which we are going to see, asking forgiveness, calendars, and lots of important areas that we have seen. You can go through the videos and learn. There are also, we've been doing some exercises in those areas as well, which is really helpful. Lots of people are getting things right as well, and I encourage you to comment, to write your answers on the comments or ask questions as well. So today we are going to go through buying and selling, bittaa fi gurgurtaa in Afaan Oromoo, on how we will buy, ask something to buy or to sell. This one area of communication, as you know, and it is better to have some ideas. So we'll see. So if you want to buy something, this is how we say, how much is this? Kun meeqa? Kun meeqa? Kun meeqa? How much is that? Sun meeqa? Sun qarshii meeqa? Qarshii is the Oromo currency. So the national currency is also called bir in Amharic. In Oromo areas we use qarshii. Qarshii means the same bir, so it refers to money. Okay, sun qarshii meeqa? Sun qarshii meeqa? Or kun qarshii meeqa? We can either say short like this, sun meeqa, or kun qarshii meeqa. We can ask like that as well. So sell this to me. Kana natti gurguri. Kana natti gurguri. This means sell to me. Sell this to me. Kana natti gurguri. I want to buy this. Kana bitachuun fedha. Kana bitachuun fedha. So bituu means buy. Gurguru means sell, as we have seen here. Bitachuun fedha. Kana bituun fedha. I want to buy this also. Kana bituun fedha. Kana bitachuun fedha. Bitachuu, like I want to buy for myself, actually refers to for myself. Kana bitachuun fedha. The seller may say that is 300, which he means sun dhibba sadiidha, or he can say sun qarshii dhibba sadiidha, both the same. Sun dhibba sadiidha, sun qarshii dhibba sadiidha. So both the same, possible. Tell me last price. Kan dhumaa natti himi. Kan dhumaa natti himi. Last price, last one. Kan dhumaa natti himi. It is the last price. Dhumadha. He can suggest dhumadha. Gatii dhumaadha. Gatii dhumaadha. Or you can suggest dhumadha. That is it. Or you can say kanuma. That is it. Kanuma. So that's a conclusion. He is not going down. This is a trend in Ethiopia, in Oromo market. If you are new visitors there, they may tell you 100. That's not the selling price. You have to say, you have to negotiate. So through negotiation, sometimes it is very crazy. You can buy half price of what they told you. It is just like that. So they always exaggerate the price, so they know that you're bringing them down. So be aware of that. Don't buy whatever they say if it is not tagged. Usually, I think now things are changing. Even if it is tagged, there is a window of negotiation that you can negotiate. You have to be aware of that. The only where you don't negotiate is the hotels, food and drink. They tell you the exact price, so there is no negotiations in that. Uh, but you can ask how much is tea, how much is a cup of tea, shahin meka, so per cup, shahin meka. When you ask shahin meka, this per cup, so they tell you shahin birishan, shahin karshishan, shahin karshikudan. So that's how you can know that. How much is coffee? Bunnimeka. Bunnimeka means a cup of coffee. So they tell you cup of coffee is that much. There is um, also another way of asking how much is red stew. So itodiman meka meka. So now the repetition meka meka is common in asking such kind of things, that kind of price. It means each one of them. How much are each one of them? So meka meka is a repetition for plurality. So itodiman meka meka. You can also say shine meka meka, bunni meka meka. So you are asking prices per each cup or per each item. So meka meka possible. You can also, people can also say it is expensive in different ways. This baye mi'ada, that's one way. Baye qalida, that is one other way. This also means expensive. It also heddu mi'ada, it also means very expensive. It's also heddu qalida, it also means expensive. So baye, heddu are the same meaning, have the same meaning. Mi'a, qali have the same meaning of being expensive. Baye means very, and heddu. And expensive means mi'a or qali. And you can use any of them, any of these combinations as well. Or they may use this combination to tell you it is expensive to buy from you, or you can say no, it is expensive to buy from them as well. So that summarizes the whole training in Afan Oromo. It's a very nice moment, also challenging for me working and doing this. Thank you for using it. I'm happy that a lot of people are using it, and I hope they learn something. What is right this for this? What is the word or the sentence you have learned from these videos? Okay, from the whole tutorials. What is your takeaway by following me? I just want to know that. You can say I learned how to say hello, how to buy something, how to ask time. That's something I want to hear from you. Thank you very much for following me up all the way. My advice for you, there is more videos on BBC. I tell you, on BBC, if you search for that link, you will get lots of important lessons. Okay, learning English, but it's Oromo for Oromo who want to learn English. But these are very important also for a person who want to learn Oromo. The only thing is that you have to reverse. Okay, Maqaan kee eenyu, what is your name? Start from bottom and learn. Reverse engineering work is here too. So very, very useful counting here, and also meeting new people. What you say in Oromo. If you want to ask he is married or not. Have you got any brothers and sisters, which I didn't cover as well. Umurin Kemeka, how old are you, which I didn't cover as well. There are lots of what is your birth. There are lots of very useful, really, for a person who want to also learn Oromo. No, this is made for a person who want to learn English. But you can reverse and use it as well. This very intense, and I tell you more. There is very useful videos and lessons attached to this. Thank you. I really appreciate the BBC guys who did this. Uh, Look at the lessons as well. There's the lessons tab. If you go there, they have lots of lessons in English, but you can deduct from there and learn Oromo as well. Very, very useful, and it's a lot of them there. Look at them. Use this for your own benefit to learn Afan Oromo. Thank you very much, and I finish here. I need your feedback because feedback is very important for life. Yeah, that is what I believe. If we don't have feedback, we could die. Feedback is not only through word, feedback is we speak our mind, that is feedback. We also receive and send back information, that's feedback. We eat and we urinate, that is feedback for the body as well. If you are closed, we are dead. If you are open, we don't exist. So feedback is very important. I need your feedback, and thank you very much for being with me the whole time. This is a very special moment for me, and I have the same lessons for those who learn Oromo in Amharic, who can speak Amharic, and you can learn in Amharic as well. And I leave you here. Thank you very much, and have a nice time. Bye.